Hey budgeteers! Today we're going to talk about investing strategies. And this isn't your investing strategies such as when you should short a stock or when you should buy an option versus a stock, which may sound like foreign language to you at this point. But I'm going to talk about the general basic strategies of buying stock. And there's only a few of them, so we'll go through those and talk a little bit about how they work. The first one is kind of the more Warren Buffett style, or the long-term investor. You're going to go and pick a stock that you are going to hold for your entire lifetime. Maybe not that long, but a long time, 10 years plus. You want to have that stock grow and grow and grow. So, for example, those people that invested in Microsoft when it first came out and have held it for all these years have now grown this entire corporation that they owned a part of. And that is got to be an awesome feeling. But they had to hold on to that for a long time. And I'm sure looking back in their charts, I haven't looked at it recently, but I'm sure there was some dips and dives where people got a little bit nervous here and there. But over time, it has grown. Now, there is the next level of investing, which is a long-term investor, but not your lifetime investor. And a long-term investor is looking at stocks for 1 to 2 to 3 years, maybe 5. You're just looking at stocks and saying, you know what, for the near future that I can see as a person, this company will do good. And that's the kind of investor that I am generally. I look at stocks and I see that this company has somewhere to go, and I move forward with that knowing that I won't sell it in the next 3 to 5 years. The reasons that, the stock market might drop when we change presidents or when the housing market crashes or all these different things that can occur, which we've seen in the past, the stock market might tank. It might rise really fast. It might do whatever. And I don't try to jump on the trend or the bandwagon. I just plan on holding it until a specified time that I think this is how long it will take it to grow and to become what I think that it will become. Now, the next one is a short-term investor, less than a year. You're looking at things, you're saying, you know what, I want to hold it for a few months or 6 months, and then I want to trade it out when I see those dips and dives come in. The stock market just crashed. I'm going to hurry and buy down here, and then I want to watch it go up for the next 3 months, and I'm going to sell up here, and you're trying to kind of time that market in a short-term sense. That's short-term investing. You may be that kind of investor as well. And then there's the last one that I want to talk about, which is the day trader. And a day trader can go minute by minute, hour by hour. They can go within a week, 2 weeks, just really quick trades. They're always passing stock through their portfolio, and they don't hold on to things for a long time. They try to grab a dip in the day and grab an up in the day. It's that fast for them. And they may be just making small micro amounts of money, but they're making them much faster over time so that they can do that. Now, in how I talk about stocks, I'm going to talk more on the long-term, maybe even the lifetime investing strategy standpoint, just because I understand that the most, and I feel like it's generally the safest. Now, this is just a feeling for me. You may have something else. I'm not recommending either way. You may want a short-term trade or day trade. If you want to learn the strategies of that, though, I would take the tools that we're going to talk about here and then go and apply those in other course settings where they'll teach you day trading or strategies around that, because there is definitely a whole different world of stock market to be learned once you get to that point. So with that, it's now time to kind of decide what kind of an investor you are on that standpoint. Last time, in the last video, we talked a lot about what type of risk tolerance you have. In this video, I want to know, what kind of trader are you? Are you planning on holding on to things for a while? You want to watch it grow? You want to be a part of that experience? Or do you want to trade it as fast as you can when you see the ups and downs? Either way, I mean, the tools here that we're going to go over will help you to achieve that goal and show you exactly what you need to do in order to make those kinds of trades as well. So we'll keep talking more here. We're going to jump into some definitions in the next video and talk about stock market terms, what they mean, what you're looking for. And we're starting to get towards the tools section of where we'll talk about what tools you'll need to start investing as quickly as possible. We'll see you next time, budgeteers. Thanks for watching. I'm extremely glad to have you here. If you have any questions or comments, be sure to leave them down below. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to hit the thumbs up. For more awesome videos, make sure you are subscribed.